Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an unlimited money glitch so that you can make a bunch of money and buy a bunch of things like I did. So you go to dealership trucks, you tap till you get to tow truck, you go to the one before the tow truck, so this one, you click sport, so it looks like this. You buy for 150 grand, you can sell it for 243 grand. So there, now I have over $1 million again. You just do that a bunch, and then you can get a bunch of money. So now that's how I'm making money. And thanks to the guy in the chat on that one comment that told me the fast way to do it with the quads, but this way is faster. Oh, and this is my nice daily driver over here. This is my hauling truck. Tuning, wheels, tires, wheels width, back, wheels width. There we go. I actually haven't driven this truck since I customized it. Got a good old flat deck over there so I can haul my Mustang that I have. Let me go over here, show you all the vehicles I have in storage. So I've got 13 vehicles. I got the trailer, I've got this trailer, truck, this thing, got this little quad, got this boat, got this jet ski, got a crawler, side-by-side dirt bike, boat trailer, the Mustang, this vehicle moving out. Let's go back to storage. Where is it? Storage. Here it is. I should move out this thingy. Build it up. Should build this and then do this and then do this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So move out. I'm gonna start with this thing. So customize, paint, glossy black, of course. And then rims. What are some good crawling rims? These ones. Actually, I need them chrome black to see what they'll look like. Ooh, this looks pretty nice. Beadlock. Ooh. Black beadlock. Metallic, like matte black beadlock. Okay, spoke, chrome. Ooh. This one looks even nicer, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think this one looks nicer. And then tires. Let's get the good crawling ones. Of course, the wording. I like the fact that the brake caliper is literally inside of the rim and tire. And of course we need this. Spare tire. Winch. Bar. This thing. And then buy that for 28. Look, it only went down a tiny bit, so there's some interesting glitch. Let's see. This looks pretty nice. Uninstall. Looks like this. Turbo, install. Yep, turbos look better. NOS. And customize. Nope, tuning. Crawler. Oh, it's only for gold. Anyway, tune suspension. This is gonna be a good old crawler. Oh yeah. I'm gonna lower it down a bit. As low as possible. Crawler's heavier steering. The size of the shocks could go down to this. 1.8. Stiffness all the way up. Shock size 1.8. Travel down. Shocks. Damping. Axis width. And now wheels and tires. Of course, I'm not going to be doing all these vehicles in one video. It's going to be over a couple videos. But I am going to do it. Need that back one a little bit wider. See, that one's right on the line. That back one needs to be a little further over. Actually, I can't do it like that. There we go. This thing is looking pretty good. But now I need to customize paint. Nope. Axle color. Secondary color. Oh yeah. $500. There, now we should go test this thing. Trailer. Over here. Equip this trailer. Always have a vehicle on the trailer so you can have one more vehicle outside. Let's see what vehicle decided to come out. Oh, that vehicle right over here. Little quad. Too bad you can't pull trailers with these things. But you can pull them with these. So, multiplayer, free roam, custom maps, favorites, crawl. I'm bad at spelling. Crawl. There we go. Snow crawl. It's just the same as rock crawling, except snow instead. So, free cam. Pretty slow truck, but if I detach trailer, it's pretty fast. And then, okay, I'm using the wrong vehicle. I need to drive this truck back up there. It just does wheelies. Respawn. Detach trailer, swap cars. Ooh, the rear steering is hard to control. Now that's better. Oh, and I need to respawn. And let's go. Bridge, can we land it? Landed it. First try. Full throttle. Whee, boy. Okay, time to do some rock crawling. Actually, if this video isn't too long already, probably is not, but I'm gonna maybe build one of the other vehicles that I said I was going to build. Either the side-by-side or the quad, I'm not sure. These things pretty much act like side-by-sides, except safer for if you roll over. Snow, seriously? I'll go a little further down the trail. Just slightly bump the throttle. Don't get stuck now, Mr. Crawler. Oh, rolling. Respawn. Donuts. Swap cars. I want to drive this Ranger. I do not know why I built this thing so humongous. Whee. First time driving the Ranger since I built it. Oh man, don't like the headlight color. Okay, respawn. Detached trailer, swap cars, do donuts, cause why not? Check if the lights are on. Go in first person. Maybe I should not have made this thing, all-wheel steer. It's for dirt bikes. Should go grab my dirt bike. Maybe I'll build the dirt bike. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Build the dirt bike, come back. Let's go, best I had ever. Unequipped trailer. Here's my crawler. Go storage. Okay, dirt bike, where is it? Here it is, move up. No! Disappeared, okay. Upgrades, everything. Should I put blower on it or a turbo? Turbo. Nitrous. E-brake. Track. Gearbox. Ooh. Had to do a manual on the dirt bike. Customize rims. Ooh. Chrome. Green. Bead. Blue. Light blue. tires. Add these ones. And body. Yeah. Headlight color there. Can do this or this. This or this. This. Then tuning, wheels and tires. Oh no, I don't have $1 million anymore. There we go. Wheel radius. There we go. Wheel radius. Wheel width. There we go. It's perfect. Now let's I'll take a few of the customized favorites. Arrow up. Snow crawl. Excuse me. So let's drive the dirt bike. Not where I was planning on being, but sort of get the picture. This thing's actually pretty good on the rocks. Better than you would expect for a little bike. Ooh. Ooh. Wonder where this leads, this pipe. It's pretty difficult driving on pipes like this. This is pretty much straight up. I'm supposed to get it up there. Amazing. Oh no. Huh. It's interesting how it just ends down here. Oh, guess I can have fun on the money bike. Oh no. I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, click the wrong button.